Number 3, if we can see it, x squared equals 36x. First thing, I want to get it set to 0. So I'll subtract that term on the right from both sides. So I have x squared minus 36x equals 0. And now I can see I don't have 3 terms, so I can't use sum product, but I can use greatest common factor. So I'm going to factor by greatest common factor. So set to 0 first, and then greatest common factor. And it looks like it's just an x. So I have x times a quantity, x minus 36 equals 0. And think of that x as being just a quantity by itself multiplied by another quantity. So I have 2 things multiplied equals 0. So I set each one equals 0. So I'm going to use the zero factor property next. And then solve each of those. This one's already solved, so I just have to add 36. And x is a positive 36. So I have x equals 0 or 36. So I check them, x equals 0. Then I have something squared equals 36 times that something. And put in 0. And that gives me 0 equals 0. Well, that works. And then x equals 36. That was my other possibility. Again, something squared equals 36 times that something. And put in the 36. And I can look at it 2 ways. I can multiply that 36 out, which is fine. You can do that. 36 squared, that's going to give you 1296. Write it in blue. And 36 times 36, still 36 squared, so 1296. Or you can think of it as 36 squared equals 36 times itself can also be written as 36 squared. So either way, you've got a true statement there.